Autoglyms Super Resin Polish promises to clean, polish and protect, whether you're using it after claying or just on its own. I'll show you how it performs. While my dog Molly decides to do some internet shopping, stick around to see what she orders. So in this video I'm going to be testing out Autoglyms Super Resin Polish. Now my polish came with the clay detailing complete kit, but you can buy it on its own to polish your car. In my last video I did the claying process, so the car is all ready now for the polishing stage. If you haven't seen the claying process video, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go and have a look. So I will be using the Super Resin Polish, a microfiber cloth to apply the polish, an Autoglyms finishing cloth to buff off the polish. If you are using the polish from the clay kit, you will need something to apply the polish with, hence my microfiber cloth. So let's give
Autoglyms Super Resin Polish
a go. So that's the polishing stage done. So let's go and have a look at the results. The resin polish went on very easily. Buffing off the polish really did leave the surface of the car like glass. So that's this section, part 2, the polishing stage, complete. The next section, part 3, is the waxing stage. So part 3 will be coming up in the next video. So what score am I going to give Autoglyms Super Resin Polish? Well, I'm going to give it a solid 9 out of 10. What's your thoughts? Have you used this polish? Let me know in the comments below if you have. And I do reply to every comment. Just before I go, could I just ask, if you've not already done so, would you mind subscribing to the channel? Me and Molly would really appreciate it. So until the next one, I'll catch you then.